Hey everyone! Let's talk about something I know we all care about, even if we don't always think about it, our online privacy. So much of our personal life is floating around the internet these days. Photos, messages, even where we shop or go for coffee. The digital world makes things super convenient, but it also makes it really easy for companies, hackers, or even random strangers to get a peek into our lives. That's why protecting your online privacy is a big deal. Now, what does online privacy even mean? Basically, it's about controlling three things: what info you share, who can see it, and how it's used. This covers stuff like your name, address, and email, your photos and videos, your browsing and shopping habits, and even your location data from your phone. But there are some real risks out there. For starters, tons of sites and apps track everything you do, your clicks, your searches, what you buy, just to build a profile about you for ads. Then, of course, there are hackers using phishing emails or fake websites to steal your info. Plus, if a company gets hacked, your personal details could end up who knows where. And let's be honest, we've all seen people overshare a bit on social media, which can give away more than they realize. So what can you actually do about it? Here are some super simple steps that anyone can follow. Number 1, be careful what you share. Avoid posting your address, phone number, or full birthday online. And try not to announce those big vacation plans until you're back home. Number 2, use strong security settings. Check your social media privacy settings so only your friends can see your posts, and limit what apps can access on your phone. Number 3, strengthen your login security. Use strong, unique passwords for every account, and always turn on two-factor authentication if it's available. Number 4, think before you click. Don't open links in sketchy emails or messages, and be picky about what you download. Number 5, stay updated. Keep your phone, computer, and apps up to date to guard against security flaws. Here's the cool part. In a lot of places, laws like GDPR or CCPA give you the right to know what data companies have on you, to ask for it to be deleted, and to control how it's shared. Don't be afraid to use those rights. At the end of the day, protecting your online privacy is totally worth it. Once your info is out there, it's tough to get it back. But by being just a little more careful, thinking before you share, locking down your accounts, and staying sharp about privacy risks, you can enjoy all the good stuff the internet has to offer without giving away more than you want to. Just remember, you can't control everything online, but you can control what you put out there. Stay safe out there.